at the mesmerizing world of Hira Mandi.
Yeah. Big hand once again for these wonderful actors who made Hira Mandi. Guys, big hand for them. You can also clap. Yeah. Wow, firstly look at this panel. I know you all have been waiting for this one. So thank you so much for coming and waiting for this big finale of our big day. Ladies and gentlemen, well done. I have seen quite a bit of it. Let's ask the audience. Guys, audience में से ये पैनल के बाद कितने लोग जाकर हीरा मंडी देखेंगे? हाथ ऊपर करो. Already seen it. Already seen it. Well done. मैं आके पूछूंगा. Don't just say like that. You know, your entry scene with Sonakshi, I remember, where it's so much about your appearance and how good looking you are. Is that very flattering?
Whether it's a comeback or not, yes, it's always flattering when one character tells another character, no, they think they're looking good. So I take the compliment with all the grace. And I am going to pretend that you meant it.
It was truthfully said, don't worry.
Thank you. But I return the same to you. You look fabulous too. How does it feel? It's always wonderful. And especially you know, when you've had such a long gap as I have. It's a special feeling. And just to be working with this wonderful cast and all this bunch of talent, it's just been very, very special.
Right. Promise them no more gaps.
Oh, I promise on everything sacred.
I already made him promise me.
Well done.
Yeah, I told him, please no more breaks
No
from
more breaks.
the movies.
Right. You know, there's so much.
You know, I know a lot of people speak about the costume jewelry and just the beauty and the grandeur and the scale. And that is very important. But with Sanjay sir, I think that comes to him as naturally as breathing. Because he has such a keen and sensitive eye and he's so artistic. But I think what is special about him and what he creates is the emotional expanse of the canvas that he creates. The fact that each character is so individualistic, their journeys are so uniquely beautiful, and for him every woman is a queen and he treats her like a queen. And they are wholesome layered women, and you feel for them. The men too, guys. But since we're talking about Hira Mandi just now, let me just stick with this. So I think that's what's actually so beautiful and unique, because the beauty is, yes, you enjoy it, but what touches you and what you take home is the feelings and the memories of those feelings and those people who you love so much and you root for when you watch. And I think that's what Sanjay sir does so epically and so beautifully, and that's why he always creates cinematic legacy, and especially with this.
Right. Absolutely. Manisha, that the fear is there, the love is there. Well done. Very so happy to see you back. And you obviously, ma'am, have a great rapport with him. You worked with him before. What has changed in the Bansali from before Khamoshi to now? Is there any change you see?
Absolutely. I think there's only been growth that I see. Also back then he was poetic and focused, was hardworking and unique in his own way. And even now. And but today he makes much grander, many layers and multiple things in his subject, you know, and grander sets, more prettier, everything so more beautiful. So I think a lot of growth has happened as a filmmaker for him and as a human being as well. I think, yeah.
Right. Sonakshi, well, what can I say? Can I take you back and ask you the same question, which was the first, do you remember your first jewelry item?
The first jewelry, I've never been actually a jewelry person. I love jewelry, of course. I think every woman or every girl loves it. Also for men. But personally, I don't really wear jewelry. Yeah.
Okay. So actually, thing that I've seen, I can't spoil the fun for anyone. But tell us about your experience.
I'm actually really emotional right now because I binge watched all 8 episodes yesterday with my friends, and I'm right now just so proud to have been in this beautiful world that Sir has created, to have shared the screen with these immensely talented men and women sitting here who are also not here. I mean, it's just unbelievable what we have managed to achieve, what we are a part of, and I'm truly very emotional. It's been one of the best experiences of my life. Getting to work with such fine actors, with such a fine maker like Sanjay Sir, his entire team, who really slogged day and night. Their blood, sweat and tears is in Hira Mandi and what you see right now. So big shout out to Sanjay Sir's team, him and every actor that has just shown on screen.
Right. No, Sangeeta, I was watching one of your interviews where you speak about this car. Firstly, people have seen the trailer, so no spoilers here. Tell us about your experience and what is the story behind that. You want to share something so that they go and see it?
Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I personally feel that our thoughts are the architects of our destiny, and I dreamt to work with him. So don't stop dreaming. बड़े ख्वाब देखो और ख्वाब सच्चे होते हैं अगर आपके intentions अच्छे हैं. So about this car, I felt that Wahida was Wahida because of this car was the foundation of her character. She is what she is because of this car, and she doesn't want to be. The reason is this car, and it's just not about. Because I've also binge watched all the 8 episodes, and I'm still in awe of the series and in awe of all the actors. My heart is bouncing with excitement right now because I want to again go and watch. But I think every character over here, they had the feminine side to them, but we all were highly alpha male. We all had alpha male qualities, and it clearly showed that the circumstances made us bitter, strong, angry, and वो सब में क्वालिटीज़ होती है. तो मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर जो भी देखेंगे उन्हें लगेगा कि हम में ये क्वालिटी है, and that is the beauty of, I think, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. He creates the characters which resonates with people.
Right. Reasons is the success and the reactions, right? So tell me, you were telling me during the interview that he's very collaborative, and do you want to tell this audience, this is a much younger audience than people like me. Do you want to tell them what was your experience, how collaborative he is? Could you give an example?
Hi guys, hi young audience. I want to say that I really think that if he finds a level of trust with the person he's working with, then he will be like, अच्छा अपना कुछ करके दिखाओ, तुम कैसे करोगे? How do you think she will walk? How will she spray perfume? Those little things. Then he gives you the space to come up with those, and it's very collaborative because I don't know if most of you may not know, but when we had to film that one song, which is in the second episode, and I think he made me hear 3 songs. He's like, what do you think your character will most, they're all there, सब में थोड़ा थोड़ा दर्द है गाने में, but he was like, which one would your character sing? So it doesn't look like lip sync or one, song like that. So in that moment, it really feels like it's a drunken outburst of a really. So yeah, he's that collaborative. Right? He let me pick a song.
Lovely. That's such a cool.
There's a lyrical quality, and he's like, "ये when I hear her voice, तो मुझे मोगरे की खुशबू आती है." Now see, for me that's also a direction.
Right.
This man who is this auteur genius is hearing this voice, and the visual that he gets is of a certain scape which he's matched in the show, but he's also like smelling something, you know what I mean? That is such a unique way to think. So my only tip, if anyone's working, as if should you be so lucky guys, but I'm saying if you get prep work, if he gives you a brief, stick to it like a Bible. I guess what Sangeeta is trying to say is leave room for magic.
Yes.
Let spontaneous things also happen. You can develop something. Like I developed like a weird delusional giggle. Keep a stumbling attitude if you're. Those are the things I did. But I would say just learn your lines and then go and just be a blank page and let him paint on you.
Right. Taha, in case you were prepared, I'm changing the question. This is the last question.
We were all standing in one line and he's testing your mind. He got Maharaji student to come and
Vijay Shri. Yeah.
and you know, it takes someone with knowledge of like that art form, that specific, who are the best people in town for that specific art form, and he'll get those. Or even the fact that Sakal Ban is such an old tune, but he added the pakhavar, so it gives it that like one feeling of just joining the dance, and that's eventually how the song also ends.
Yeah.
With all the women coming together.
Right. Guys, we can go on and on, but what we want is we want you to go. Girls love you. So, you want to say a big hi to everyone in the room?
Thank you very much, thank you.
Boys also love him.
Boys also love you.
I've been hearing that too.
Right. Ta, you know, share your experience. Of, I was watching one of your interviews. I watch all interviews, by the way. So I was watching one where you were talking about थोड़ी सी टोपी भी पीछे से किसी की आगे पीछे होगी. He can identify. Is that a lot of pressure for an actor to be absolutely perfect and prepared?
I think Sanjay sir puts pressure onto himself more than us. Like how Aditi mentioned, he's very minutely involved in everything he does. So I don't think there's pressure. Of course, all of us over here, of course, Manisha ma'am has already started his career with her. All of us have had dreams to work with him. So in the end of the day, we all just want to make him happy. We want him to be pleased with our performances, because what bigger appreciation you can get when Mr. Bhansali says, good. That's it. So I believe that it's not about pressure, it's about all of our passions. All of our dreams. That's why we're here. And there's no pressure, it's love. It's a love for cinema, it's a love for Mr. Bhansali, it's the love of learning and wanting to grow. So no pressure, you're just blessed to be a small part in this opulence, this magnificent piece of art that he's created. So no pressure.
Right. Nice.
In the show,
From this entire,
which performance did stand
Yeah.
out is the question.
okay,
Which performance didn't stand
didn't
out?
stand out.
First of all, I don't think Sir would ever move on from a shot if he didn't get what he exactly wanted. Right? I mean, we have given takes, 15 takes, 20 takes, and maybe even more sometimes to get
Right.
the magic of what Sharman's friend, Saima. She was playing Saima in the room. And that's just one of the characters. What about, what's his name? And what about the Ustadji?
Yeah.
Ustadji is so incredible,
Right.
so incredible. I mean, his expression, his adai, right, was
Indrajit.
unmatched, and I mean, your daughter's name, Shama. So I mean, we can't just say that it's just us.
Sure.
The show is driven by a bunch of talented cast,
Right.
which right now you might not see them, but when you watch the show, which I hopefully wish that you guys go home and watch it. You guys will come across some really incredible talent, right? That we have been, it's such an honor to be part of, and I've learned so much from watching all these characters,
Right.
So yes, that's what it is, man. Everybody's just
Right.
a part of the magic, man.
Yeah. So naive of me to think.
The show, and it was really beautiful to watch you guys. It was exquisite. And being a Kathak dancer who was trained for 5 years, I was tremendously very happy to see you guys do it so gracefully. Like, there was this moment where 4 of you guys are like giving expressions on the different beat. The color, the contrast, and the way it was projected was something really, really relatable, and something which stick out to me, because I really look up to our culture and the way we've grown up, right? So I just want to ask you, how is the process? Because I don't think choreographers get a lot of credits for it, and I know what it's like to curate a dance piece, or something as simple as a small gesture which would make you stand out and look the most gracious and beautiful woman out there.
Right. Who wants to take that? Yeah.
So I think we all can speak on this a little bit. See, Sanjay himself has a phenomenal rhythm and sense of music. And Ruti, Mahesh did a choreography of our song in that, and she's brilliant. And that is the Sakalaban song that you're talking about, right? And the whole, everybody on the set of Sanjay Leela Bhansali works and gives their 100-200%. You know, so everybody is trying to excel, and you can see that in technician, on artists, on every field. Because the man drives excellence, you know. And I had this beautiful, talented dancer, and her, and all of us. I think on to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
I wanted to